How to put logo on YouTube video. We can easily put logo on YouTube video like the one you can see on the right bottom corner. It can be, for example, subscribe button or logo of our channel. It's super easy to put on YouTube video, so let's start. First of all, we need to go to YouTube and log into our channel. Once we do this, we need to click on the right top corner on our avatar picture and then choose YouTube Studio. After we get to YouTube Studio, we need to find on the menu on the left Settings and click on it. Once we get here, we need to choose Channel, and then from the tabs above here, we need to choose Branding. Once we get here, it will look like this, and as you can see in the right bottom corner, we can add our logo. So to do that, we need to make sure that the logo is smaller than 150 by 150 pixels and the size is less than 1 megabyte. To add it, we just click Choose Image, and then we need to find our logo on our computer. Let's say I'm gonna add this one, just double click on it, and as you can see, the logo was already added in the right bottom corner of the video. And we have three options on the right side. We can make it appear only at the end of the video, during custom time, or during entire video. So if we don't have an intro, we would choose entire video. If we have an intro, we would choose custom start time, and then here you can adjust from which second you would like this logo to appear. Once we set up everything over here, we click Save. And let's check if we really added a logo to our video. I'm gonna open this video in a new tab, and the logo should appear from the 5th second, so let's check if it will really appear from the 5th second. And as you can see in the right bottom corner, a logo appeared. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.